spectacular walkout Rambler on a private lake with an attached 4-stall garage with in-floor heat. Walk into the bright and open floor plan with vaulted and beamed, tongue-and-groove ceilings in the living room with a wall of windows, and open to the kitchen and dining areas. The kitchen has lots of counter space and hickory panel raised arch cabinets with a breakfast bar, and the dining area has patio doors to your future deck. The main floor also features 2 bedrooms, a large master with a walk-in closet and full bath, main floor laundry, and a bath mudroom off the garage. The walkout lower level has a large family room with a wall of windows, 2 additional bedrooms, and is plumbed for 2 additional bathrooms. New flooring throughout. Enjoy the beautiful and private setting with wildlife galore deer, swans, ducks,